Welcome! Today I'm going to show how you can play zombies on Call of Duty Mobile. So to start, obviously you'll need to launch the game itself. Here on the right side of your display, find the list of available game modes, select zombies. Here just, change and configure all the preferences, whether you would like to, go for the Zombies Classic or Undead Siege. That's completely up to you. And then simply just, once the preferred game mode is chosen, all preferences are set, tap at the start here, or actually before that, you'll probably need to go over here and wait for all the resources and required maps to be downloaded first. So mine are still in the process here, but once everything is promptly downloaded, just tap at the start button here and the, match search is going to start, and when the zombies match is found, you will accept the game or just connect to it, and here you have it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.